Yeah. Doesn't matter how much the imam gets up and say, Salaam alaikum, brothers and sisters. Brother Abdullah passed away last night. Nobody knows who is a Brother Abdullah. Yeah? Do they know who is a Brother Abdullah? Think they really know who is Brother Abdullah? Everybody's Abdullah. Well, Brother Abdullah from so and so and so and so. They still don't know him. They don't see him in the masjid. What do you think the Islam is designed in such a way? 5-time daily salah to encourage Jamaat, congregation, people coming to the masjid. Yeah? A connection. Juma. The name Juma. What is Juma? Huh? Jama'ah, to congregate. It's a congregational prayer. So every day we have a congregational prayer, and the Prophet ﷺ says, the salah is 25 or 27 times more bil jama'ah, with the congregation. The Jummah, the bigger the Jummah, the more blessings. Then you have a big Eid. Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha. Islam has been designed with congregation. Nobody says no, then we associate with the wrong people. Nobody says no. Listen, I go and give dawah to everybody. And listen, if I have to go in a bar and give dawah, I'm going to give dawah in a bar. I go to churches, synagogues, anyway, I'll go. No problem. Don't worry about that. I'm not telling you don't go and give dawah, but be careful you're not invited and you leave what your lifestyle is. Yeah. For ours doesn't mean don't have anything to do with the people. No. Shun what they invite us to. Shun what they are taking us away from that will conflict with our Islamic rights and duties. But you give them the dawah. You get the opportunity, invite them. Go place to their weddings, go to their things, get the opportunity, but don't go when it conflicts with what you have to do. Yeah, when somebody invites me, I gotta work with the schedule. That's why Islam has congregation. Islam encourages this congregational thing. When somebody gets married, the Prophet ﷺ encourages to announce it and invite people for the walima. So much so that he encouraged that you must go to the walima. He encouraged that. So you must invite people. So people must come together. Daily Salah, Jum'ah, Eid al-Adha, Eid al-Fitr, Walima, JANAAZA. The Prophet ﷺ encourages that gathering concept and practicality in Islam. And when we isolate ourselves, number one, you don't mix with the right people. Nobody says don't give dawah to the wrong people. Please, don't ask me that question after. Give dawah even if it means to the devil. All right? That's our job. Ud'u ila sabili rabbika bil hikmah. Invite to the way of Allah with wisdom.